So this just came in, the LUMO-X X1-2000. It's going to be going into the mother tent from LUMO-X as well. Let's do a quick unboxing of this, shall we? So, start with opening up. Look at that. Instructions. We got the power cord, which is pretty long, pretty nice. Ratchet hangers, or one ratchet hanger. Hangers for the thing. And the LUMO-X X1-2000. Look at this. This is gonna fill up that tent nice. Let's put this foam down here. So as you can see, it's got a built-in timer. If you look down, so you can go off 9 hour, 12 hour, 15 hour, 18 hour. All you do is once it's turned on, push the setting button till you get what you want, and then it's activated. You don't need a timer. You can set both your timers up just for fail-safe in case the other one dies. Got the certified LUMO-X original product. So it's pretty big. I think this is the only light I'm going to need in my other tent. You got your veg, your bloom, power port, and then 3 fans on the back. So let me plug this in and turn it on for you guys. Veg. Bloom. And veg and bloom. This thing is so bright. It's a beast. And we're gonna put it to the test and grow some dank ass shit. Alright. Peace.